Here's the basement at 629 Lathers. I got in the railing to code here down the basement steps. All the painting has been done down here. I'm sure we'll have some touch-ups, electrical. Ceiling tiles are in. Laundry area and still needs the floor painted. Storage room needs to be painted. Furnace room. It's the main finished area. Have carpet going down here after we're ready on these 6-panel doors. This is like a bedroom or family room area in the basement, an additional room that has a door from the main area. It has a drop ceiling also. This room has the paneling, which was in good shape, so we didn't paint it. This is just a bolted board here. This has a nice walk-in closet here. No lights. And here's the full bath. The floor is in. And so we have a new vanity and toilet going in here. Full bath, or half bath in the basement, sorry. This will be a nice basement here. Back upstairs. Floor's in on the entryway, side entry door. Kitchen. Cabinets are in. Light fixtures. Doors. Refinished our hardwood floors, so it's one of the last things we do. Like I said, this house too, I think the main window has a bad seal. We might have to replace that glass. Here's our countertops. Hallway. There are 3 bedrooms. All painted. Doors. There's the bathroom. New subfloor is in. This is getting a new tile on the floor. Vanity and toilet. Tile's in good shape. We're going to clean that up and we're going to have that bathtub painted by a company that specializes in that. And pretty close to getting done on this one.